This video is made possible by Amsoil.
So everyone knows my infamous little quote stuck on the back of my car. It says, "Tech Pass Boy." Hi everyone, my name is Sara Misir and I drive the infamous Tech Pass Boy car. This morning it started out very wet, so it was a little slow, but now it's starting to dry up and its car is getting fast. The tires are sticking, there's traction now on the track, so the car's performing very well.
Recently, you went to Italy for ice driving course.
Yes.
You mind telling us a little bit about that experience?
It was a lot of fun. I was a little nervous at first because, you know, it's my first time in the snow, first time on the ice, and it was something very, very new. And then they dumped me in like the hardest car. Like, the thing is, like on ice with the slowest power, you don't really have a lot of power, you know, to correct and go and traction and things like that. So they put me in a slow car with slicks pretty much. So I was sliding all over the place, and they told me every reaction you have for asphalt is gonna make you crash on the ice. So I had to pretty much relearn everything and relearn the techniques and kind of block my natural reactions. So it was very hard, but once I got the hang of it, you know, I had one of the fastest times in the course, and like the people that were there, and it was a lot of fun. Genuinely very cold, but a lot of fun.
night I saw you on my television.
Jamaican driver Sara Misir will create history when she competes in a new women-owned competition in England come next year called Formula Woman.
How far are you in the competition? What's next?
Well, for now I'm in the top 50, and out of 10,000 applicants they chose 800. From the 800 I went to an assessment in Scotland and I got chosen in the top 50 out of the 800.
Wow.
So now on March 2nd and 3rd I'm going to the UK to do my second assessment.
Okay.
And from there they told us it's going to be the top 15 out of the 50 that they're picking.
Okay.
And the top 15 move to the next weekend, which is one-day assessment, and then they pick the top 10, and the top 10 go to a shootout to pick the top 4.
The winners of this year's competition will receive a fully sponsored McLaren GT4 seat in the 2022 GT Cup Championship in the United Kingdom.
How can persons stay up to date with that competition?
You can follow me on Instagram, Sara Misir. You can also follow Formula Woman Racing and spam them with Jamaican flags, you know, show them that we want Jamaica up there.
Definitely.
And that's the best way to follow everything.
Do you know if there'll be like any live streaming?
No, it's actually closed. There's no audiences allowed, no
Okay,
spectators or anything allowed because it's all televised.
Right.
So it will all come out on Netflix, it will come out in the news, you know, when the whole series comes out, and then once we know the finals,
Then
I'll be posting as much as I can, but they told us that we're not allowed to have our phones during the assessment days. The previous assessment they said no phones, they collected all the phones. So I'll try my best to like sneak in a little bit.
you have our 100% support.
Thank you.
All right, so go make us proud. All right?
Thank you. I'll try my best.
All right, Sarah. Take care.
Thank you.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
Sadly, the fuel pump went when I was running down Miss Misir. But is when, you know, I started to pressure it. Not that we were racing a while ago. I'm just saying. I really admire her, and I have a daughter.
Yes.
I have a daughter now. She's 14 months old. I know that's going to be her idol. See Miss Misir there?
All right.
So I know she's going to be Lillian's idol.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I really admire her. And the father to daughter thing. Yeah, man. Proper thing. Rosie doing a very good job.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.